Oh.
Saturday morning, bright and early. Michelle's happy to be awake right now. We are headed to Lake Powell. Not for fun this time. Well, kind of fun. We're going to pull a guy out that got stuck in the mud. Like really stuck. And we're meeting Matt out there. Should be the first trip for the Corvair wagon. So
See how it does.
we'll go see how it does. So we got a bunch of stuff loaded up, bunch of ropes so we can reach him, some waters, and a shovel. I think we're ready to go. Let's hit the trail.
All right. It shows in the map he's like in the middle of the lake, but we've had kind of a drought this year, so there's no water there, but
There's mud.
there's a lot of mud. This will be a fun one. So we were driving along and we were just about into Kanab, and the truck started wobbling a little bit and feeling a little weird. Paul didn't know what it was for a minute. Then we realized the lug nuts were coming off. So we just about lost our tire. It's a great way to start the day.
So we had to stop and borrow a ratchet attachment and tighten it up because I left mine at home. I'm blaming Jace for this. If you'll refer back to a few videos back, see Jace putting this tire on.
Okay.
I tightened them to the max, I can tell you that.
You didn't.
Well, we're almost to where we're meeting Matt. He's down at that gas station down there, just waiting.
Is he?
Yeah.
Can you see him?
Yeah.
Call him and tell him what we're doing. That we're stop this competition. This side tight. Thank you very much.
All right.
Anything?
Nope, you're good.
All right. Thank
See you later.
Thank you.
This is the famous
We'll
Ramsey
put
towing.
you, yeah, this is Matt's competition right here.
Jake, thanks.
Well, I even felt that.
Well, that's good. When the tire's falling off, it's pretty.
I said, do you have a flat tire or something? Well, we almost had a disaster.
What?
Our tire was about to fall off.
Yeah, this is crazy.
I like your shirt.
That back tire almost fell off on the way over here.
That's what Michelle
Broke a lug stud off of it, driver's side.
So I called Paul down here to help me with the job.
Everything. Hopefully we don't get muddy. I hope we stay way out of the mud and winch them out.
All right,
Let's roll.
let's go.
So we just left Kanab. We are eastbound and down. You probably got 30 minutes to Big Water, another 30 minutes on a dirt road until we find this Toyota that's stuck in the mud. Crosby Canyon. That's where we're headed. The air conditioning is going to work good today, though.
And we're off. How do you think today's gonna go?
I kind of think it's going to be fairly easy. I don't want to jinx us, but I think we can set back, winch it out, and we'll go home. But we're about to the lake. On high water year, some of this has water in it. But we're definitely not in a high water year.
Sending Hefe back to the truck to get the winch controller. We threw it out with everything.
2 hours later.
There they come to save the day.
Thanks, guys.
Now that Matt has his winch controller, we'll go see if we can pull this guy out. Oh yeah, she's soft.
Wow. Oh, you went right in, didn't you, huh?
It stinks. Woo.
Yeah, fish.
Why is there like little holes everywhere? That's kind of weird. Still feels like the same consistency right here.
Yeah, we're good up here.
Oh, where do you want me?
I think right here it's pretty solid right here. Are you sinking there?
Oh, it's pretty good here.
I was just gonna stretch my winch out and then creep as much as I could. I want to be just as far as I can possibly be.
Oh, frick.
Got it. Go towards the back of that truck. That's all you got. I think I'll just put a rope on it and creep. I'm not scared about this yet.
So we'll just kind of build this.
I lost my GoPro battery.
Oh.
Okay, that's probably good.
I got 2 more ropes.
Whew, it's definitely getting softer the
Oh yeah.
more you walk in.
Doesn't look like it's suctioned in too bad yet.
What are you going
Let's just hook to the receiver and see what it
to
does.
see what happens? That's what I'm saying.
I like that I did.
Got that land?
Yeah.
Okay, so when they start pulling, okay, so
Just
stop.
That's all I got for you.
Oh, this is super soft right here.
4 low. Okay.
If you hit it at 40, right across it. Slower than 40, you'll be in the middle of it. He's gonna have to spin.
Oh. You might want to take it to a car wash after this.
No sweat. Pulled them right out. That thing was quite stuck there for a minute.
It was.
That thing was pretty heavy there for a second.
Yeah, it was. It like getting sucked in.
Yeah,
Like, as soon as you moved it, it like sucked in
Yep.
even further.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, that one's mine. This one's Matt's because it's all nice and shiny.
So was that dragging you in?
Oh yeah. Pushed my rims down in the dirt or in the mud. It's not ideal, but I didn't want my winch sticking out the front, so this is what I got to deal with. The old Harbor Freight winch comes through again. Alright, we're wrapped up here.
Hey, you guys should go check out Fabrats merch because they lost the GoPro battery and they need help to pay for it.
Yeah, we do.
And so by supporting them that way,
It fell
you'll
out
help
of my
them.
little kangaroo patch in my sweater. Oh, I hate when I lose stuff.
Well, that's it.
You're a liar. Are you kidding me? You found it?
No, that's out of my.
You're stupid.
That was pretty smooth.
I knew that wasn't it, you guys.
Are you gonna do it,
Right.
Hefe? 40, you'll go right across it.
What's he doing?
Gonna drive across that.
Don't cave into peer pressure, Hefe. Don't cave. You're caving.
Golly geez, Anchor! That wasn't so bad. It was stuck.
Somebody should have
Didn't want two-wheel drive, huh?
All right, so far the only casualties of the day were my chapstick and GoPro battery.
Yep.
Oh gosh.
That's a big hole.
That's, I guess, a pretty good day.
Okay, so I had to come out and baby step my buddy Matt today because he couldn't have done it without me.
That's true. Pretty much.
All right, so we showed up, found them. It's
Yeah.
pretty easy, right where we thought they'd be stuck in the lake.
Bottom of the lake if it
Yep.
was a different time of year.
Yeah, where we were boating last year. So they were stuck, but we pulled them out pretty easy.
Carter,
We're good.
you're in the background. Get out of here!
Oh, we're going to lunch.
Let's
Where are we
eat some
going?
chicken.
Yeah, it's got a big white chicken in front. It's pretty easy to see.
Oh, the big white chicken. We're going to go eat lunch at the big white chicken.
All right.
That's a good looking hat Matt has on.
Yeah.
That was his punishment, is wearing our hat.
Yeah, the hat of shame. It's a cool hat of
Hat of
shame,
shame.
though,
It is
really.
pretty cool.
It is
really.
a pretty sweet hat.
Thanks for watching.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, that's what you need
yeah.
to say.
Yeah, thanks for watching.